Big snow here up here in Pennsylvania. White gold all over the place. So, trying to keep my trucks running. They're taking a beating, but making some loot. So, decided to finish my stocking up for this year. Went and grabbed some goodies. Got 2 cases of the old PK, the real one. Badass cake. Got a nice effect cake here. Got those nice waterfalls falling down. Old classic here. Can't ever not have this one. Love those 36s. Got the lips here. Badass piece. Picked this one up. I don't know. I mean, I love the wrap and all. And seems like a good cake. But I don't know. We'll see. I haven't shot it yet. Honestly, from the videos, I was more impressed with the other two. But hopefully I will be surprised. Got some more goodies back here. Got a big 4-1 here. Giant case. Badass cake, man. Really like this one a lot. Grabbed 2 of these because they were there. And they're not going to get any cheaper, so why not grab them, right? Got this one. I typically don't go in for the super fast cakes, but I had to grab one of these. It's just a showstopper, you know. Got another voodoo up here. Hoodoo that voodoo. Picked up a couple cornucopias. Nice compliant cake. Good one, you know. Stugotz, grabbed a couple of them. I got some tiger tails and whistles up there. Grabbed a case of them. Like them a lot. Loaded up on GBAs. Last year's, not this year's. I heard it's a little disappointing on the GBA this year. Or maybe it was just one batch. But, yeah. So that's about it. I think that's a good grab. Still stocked up on shells. I'm waiting to see what comes in this year. But I hope everybody's staying safe. Making do with what we can do, you know. Been kind of a boring year, boring winter. I hope everyone's well. And let's get ready to burn it down this year. Have a good one.